Welcome back. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and become one of my little doll babies. If you are a doll baby, hi doll baby. How are you? Thank you for coming back. Today we have a TJ Maxx Marshalls type haul, okay? Mostly false lashes. I do have alopecia. I probably should do a video, more of an update video on that. I don't have much natural eyebrow lashes. My hair is cut very, very short because it has fallen out quite a bit, so I just cut it. Anywho, blah, blah, blah. Another note. Another unrelated thing is you might hear my squeaky chair. I don't normally sit when I film, but I do pre-film. And so today I'm probably filming 12 or 13 videos. My back is hurting, so I need to sit. So listen, I'm bringing it to you because you have to, listen, you gotta have the content, right? So I just need to sit in a few of them. So if you hear the squeakiness, it's just my chair. Sorry, it is what it is. But I have some really exciting things to share with you. I'm gonna save the best for last. So the first thing that I am going to start with is I did pick up, actually no, my mom got me this. If you know me, I wear Kiss Impress nails, press on. I have been starting to wear the glue on ones. I have a whole playlist on those types of things, but I have been wearing the Impress DIY, yeah, there we go, manicure, the pedicure, I'm sorry. I have been wearing this Impress pedicure, at home pedicure, the stick on toenails. I have a video on the first time I tried them. I did it as a joke because I thought it was ridiculous, but now I love them and I wear them all the time. So my mom saw these yellow ones and these are called Waterfall, so she picked those up. So I just wanted to share that with you. The next thing I scooped up was this Profusion brows palette, and it looks like this. I use these types of things. The one that I have right now is like, I probably had it for years, maybe 2 years. And this is the Pixie by Petra Book of Beauty Brow No Haul. They don't make this exact one anymore. And as you can see, I'm almost kicked the entire thing. So I do need another one. I did scoop up this one from Profusion, which I like. This was $6.99 at Marshalls. But it's just like, I love this, but it's so big in terms of taking it like in my go bag. And I have to carry around this stuff because like I said, I don't have natural eyebrows. So I do touch up quite a bit. So when I saw this one, this is just way more manageable. It's the same type of powders and everything, so I can just use this to travel. So I was very excited and I got this for $4.99 at TJ Maxx. So I'm super excited about this. So that's all the other stuff. The one thing that I'm so happy that I scooped up, the lashes that I love, the lashes that I absolutely love are Lily lashes, and Lily lashes retail between $25 and $30 a piece. They retail between $25 and $30 a piece, and I just really can't afford that. But I got these 2 Christmases ago. This was the Lily lashes times Sephora. And it was like their regular lashes, but obviously it was like packaged for Sephora. This was like a holiday thing. So they had a ton of them at TJ Maxx and Marshalls for $6.99 and $7.99. So I scooped up like 20 pairs because like legit, it was so cheap. These last me very long time and I absolutely love them. So when I saw these puppies there, I was super, super excited. So these are Velour lashes, Luxe False Mink lashes. They're so stunning. You can get these Velour lashes right now on Sephora for $30. I got these ones for $7.99. This is in the style Worst Behavior. So I was able to scoop up 3 Worst Behavior between TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I got these for $7.99, so I'm so excited. If you've used Velour lashes, let me know because I've never used them yet, but I can't wait. I also got some of their kits, and those are for $9.99. It comes with like glue and crap. I don't really need that, but it was other styles. So the one that I got was called the starter kit, and it's got the lashes in there, and then it's got glue and then some tweezers to put the lashes on that say Velour. So pretty. So I got these for $9.99. These retail for $30 plus these kits. So I'm so excited about that. And then I got 3 of these other kits, and these are the Glamorous Eyes kit, and they have these really big lashes, again all $9.99. I'm like obsessed with really huge lashes, so I'm speechless. So I'm so excited. So quick little haul. I just wanted to let you know because I just found these. I want to get these up so you can see that these are up and available, and you want to scoop them up, okay? So that's what I have for you. If you like these types of videos, go ahead and click a thumbs up. If you have any comments about some of the products that I got, I'll put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I'd love to have you here. And if you have subscribed, thank you for coming back, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.